Introducing the SHIFTR trailer, a new way to move vehicles. Built for professionals, it features a hydraulic lowering deck that drops completely to the ground at the press of a button. Loading and transporting vehicles becomes smooth, safe, and stress-free. No ramps, no spotter, and no scraping. No more delays or damage to your vehicle or complicated loading setups. It handles lowered cars, classic cars, SUVs, and EVs, and anything you can throw at it. Built with a welded steel frame, a powder-coated deck, and a super low 4-degree load angle, SHIFTR is built for speed and tough and reliable. The SHIFTR lets you load with one person in under 2 minutes in just 4 steps. Lower the trailer, load your vehicle, raise the trailer, tie down, and go. Whether you're a tow operator, car transport specialist, or an automotive professional, SHIFTR lets you work smarter, harder, and safer every day. Visit the website to learn more.